A wandering coyote attacked a 5-year-old boy this week outside a Chicago nature museum, according to local reports.
The wild animal ambushed the boy around 4 p.m. Wednesday, near the Peggy Notebert Nature Museum in the city's Lincoln Park neighborhood, and then took off running, CBS Chicago reported.
The boy was bitten on the head, and was taken to Lurie Children's Hospital for treatment, police and fire officials told the station.
He is listed in stable condition. Twitter user Jaime Mendez sent a CBS 2 reporter a video of a limping coyote hobbling down the sidewalk only blocks from the museum, about a half hour before the incident.
Earlier that day, 4 or 5 coyotes reportedly were spotted outside a nearby school, according to ABC7.
Chicago Animal Care and Control is aiding in the investigation. While it is extremely rare for a coyote to approach or bite a person, residents should take caution if they encounter a coyote and notify Chicago Animal Care and Control by calling 311, the agency said in a statement obtained by the outlet.
Several coyotes have recently been spotted on Chicago's north side, and while attacks on people are uncommon, dogs have been targeted, according to CBS Chicago.
In general, coyotes are adapting to cities. Seth Magel of the Lincoln Park Zoo's Urban Wildlife Institute told the outlet.
They're doing better and better over time as they learn how to make use of these urban landscapes that we've created.
I feel confident in saying I think that their numbers are generally on the upswing.
ABC7 animal control officials responded to the attack. ABC7 Add Up Next Cops Thursday released video of the suspect wanted for the
View slideshow Facebook Twitter Flipboard WhatsApp email copy advertisement Facebook Twitter Flipboard WhatsApp email copy